Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unpacking of some Darn Tough socks. Now, these are socks that Darn Tough sent me for review, so we'll do a quick unboxing in this video, and then we'll do a full review follow-up video after that. Be on the lookout for a full feature in our newsletter too, and if you're not signed up for that, hit the link down in the description below to catch the cash newsletter. Let's open this up, see what we've got. Oh, wow. Some pretty cool stuff here from Darn Tough. Let's take a look at what we've got. So we specifically asked for some hiking socks for review, and let's see what we've got here. We've got a couple pairs of Micro Crew, and then there's also this one that's a mid-weight hiking sock as well, but it's the boot height, so it's a little bit taller sock than the other two. So this one is called the Van Grizzle. This is the men's Van Grizzle boot mid-weight hiking sock. This one is the let's see, is this the Close Encounter? Yeah, this is the Close Encounters Micro Crew midweight hiking sock. And then this one's the Willoughby Micro Crew lightweight hiking sock. So I was actually incorrect before. So we've got a lightweight, a midweight, and another midweight with a taller sock. So let's undo these and see what we've got here. Let's see how they look. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. A moose and a bear paddling a canoe. That's pretty funny. I like that. This is the Close Encounters one. So you've got little Close Encounters on the other side. That's pretty cool. And I really like the design on this buffalo. It's pretty cool. It reminds me of Wyoming a lot. Yeah, so those are some really neat socks. Let's just flip a couple of these this way so you can see them a little bit better. One thing that I noticed, like right out of the bat, these are definitely, the midweights are definitely thicker. They've got a little more cushion, and you can order these with various different levels of cushion as well. And I don't have the pricing with me right now, but what I'll do is put those down in the description below, or maybe flash them on the screen here too, so you can see how much each of these retail for. And what we'll do is we'll take these out on a hiking adventure and see which ones we like the best. So I typically don't love the taller socks unless I'm skiing. And by the way, Darn Tough has some pretty amazing ski socks. I've been using their ski socks for many years now, and they are just bomb-proof. They've lasted way longer than some of their competitors because I've used a lot of different outdoor company socks. So yeah, definitely check out Darn Tough. They do have a lifetime guarantee, so you get a hole in these socks, you can send them back. They'll replace them for the cost of shipping. So it's a great deal. It's a win-win for everybody. So check out Darn Tough. I'll put a link down in the description below. And while you're down there, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification too, so that you get the updated review video for these socks. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.